Hi friend, as you know that Irani President Ibrahim Raisi and country Foreign Minister Hossein Amir were killed in helicopter crash in the East Azerbaijan province on Sunday. Apart from the two Irani dignitaries, East Azerbaijan Governor Malik Rehmatai and East Azerbaijan Imam of the Friday prayer Muhammad Ali Al-Hashim also died in the crash when they are returning from the inauguration of a dam at Iran-Azerbaijan border. President Raisi, along with the Foreign Minister, East Azerbaijan Government Malaka Rehmatai, East Azerbaijan Imam of Friday prayers Muhammad Ali Al-Hashim. Several other passengers has been martyred in helicopter crash in the northwest of Iran. Their helicopter crashed in the Dizmer forest between Varzakhan and Jolfa. Initial reports suggest bad weather and fog forced the hard landing. Upon finding the helicopter, there was no sign of life among the passengers. Iran state television reported that. So, who was Iran Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdollahian? He was born on April 23, 1964 in Damak, a city of Seman province. He holds a BA degree in diplomatic relations from the School of International Relations of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, a master's degree in international relations from the College of Law and Political Science, and a doctorate in international relations from the University of Tehran. He has held various positions including Ambassador to Bahrain, Deputy Foreign Minister of Arab and African Affairs, and Special Assistant to the Speaker and Director General for International Affairs for Parliaments. He was a strong supporter of the Palestine cause and did close ties to the Islamic Revolutionary Guard (IRGC). He was known for his staunch and anti-Israel skepticism towards the West. He played significant role in Irani nuclear negotiation during Mohammad Khatami's presidency and participated in US-Iran negotiation in Iraq in 2007. He was also involved in the effort to restart negotiation on Iran nuclear program for the following unrevealing of the 2015 nuclear deal. He has contributed to academia in supervisor or advisor for the postgraduate dissertation, and these are the various universities in Tehran. He has also served as a lecturer at the Faculty of World Studies and the School of the International Relations in Tehran. He had aimed to strengthen Iran's relations with its Arab neighbors, especially Saudi Arabia, and played a role in restoring ties between Tehran and Riyadh. In a China brokered deals in March 2023, he had extensive experience in Irani diplomacy, including posting in Iraq and Bahrain. Meanwhile, he was a respected religious leader in Iran. He served as the representative of Wali Fiqh in East Azerbaijan province and as the Imam of Friday prayer in Tabriz. He earned a doctoral degree in Islamic studies and studies under Iran's supreme leader. Before becoming a religious leader in East Azerbaijan and Tabriz, he led a military organization in Iran. The crash coincided with tension already running in high region, especially with Israel's continued bombardment of Gaza and recent skirmish with Iran. President Raisi had repeatedly voiced Iran's strong backing for the Palestine, a position he emphasized during his last speech at the inauguration of the dam. Also, the helicopter that crashed did not have its signal system turned on and did not possess such a system, according to Turkish Transport Minister Abdulkadir Aralajo. But unfortunately, most likely the signal system was turned off or that the helicopter did not receive any signal from the system. The world many leaders have expressed their condolence on the Raisi death.